Good morning, children. Welcome to class 5 social studies. So today we are going to learn a new lesson, chapter 6, geographical features of earth. So in this we will learn latitudes and longitudes. Do you know what are latitudes and what are longitudes? No idea. Okay, I will explain. So the globe, what is a globe? Globe is the miniature of earth. Globe is a small model of earth. So when we take a globe, we can see that number of lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines are there, lies on it. Okay, so they are the imaginary lines. They are not the real lines, but they are the imaginary lines. So the imaginary lines that run horizontally and vertically are called latitudes and longitudes. Okay, latitudes and longitudes. So the set of lines on the globe running from east to west. So for directions we have that, on the top north, bottom south. Our left side is the west side and our right side is the east side. So remember, look at the picture given in page number 53. All of you take out your page number 53. Look at the picture of this globe. Okay, and some lines are drawn there, no? Some lines are drawn there. So these are lines that run from east to west, from left side to right side, from east to west, these lines. So these lines are called latitudes. So what are latitudes? The set of lines on the globe running from east to west are called the lines of latitudes. Otherwise they are called parallels. They are parallel lines. Okay, that you have already learned in maths, parallel lines. That means two lines never touch each other. They are called the parallel lines. Horizontally they are moving like this. Okay, so all these lines that run from east to west are parallel lines. Okay, that is why they are called parallels. Otherwise latitude, actually their names are latitude and they are the parallel lines. That is why we call them parallels. Okay, lines of latitude or parallels. Understood? So what is meant by latitude? The imaginary lines that run from west to east on a globe are called latitudes. They are parallel lines. That is why they are called the latitudes, parallels. Okay, so the longest parallel, look at the picture given in page number 53 in this globe. The longest parallel is the equator. That means the equator that passes through the middle of the earth from east to west, and its degree is also given there, 0 degree. So this 0 degree equator that passes through the center of the earth, that is called the equator. Okay, that is the longest parallel or the longest latitude. So the longest latitude of the globe is the equator. Its degree is 0 and it passes through the center of the earth. And when this equator passes through the center of the earth, it cuts the earth or the globe into two equal halves. Okay, look at the picture. The 0 degree equator that passes through the center of the earth. Suppose if it cut the globe, when it cut the globe, we will get two equal halves, two equal hemispheres. Okay, two equal halves we get. They are called the hemispheres. So north of the equator, northern hemisphere, and south of the equator, southern hemisphere. Okay, so when the equator passes through the center of the earth, it divides the earth into two equal halves. They are called the north of the equator is northern hemisphere and the south of the equator is the southern hemisphere. Okay, so look at the northern hemisphere. That means north of this equator we can see Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and North Pole. Okay, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and North Pole, we can see that. The Tropic of Cancer's degree is 23.5 degree north and Arctic Circle's degree is 66.5 degree north. The North Pole is the 0 degree. North Pole is the 180th degree. That is at the polar region. Okay. So, other than the equator, other important parallels are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay. So, look at the picture. North of the equator is, we can see the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Similarly, south of the equator we can see the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Okay, and the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north and the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south. Then the Arctic Circle is 66.5 degree north and the Antarctic Circle is 66.5 degrees south. Then North Pole and South Pole. Okay, so these are the important latitudes. So look at the page number 53, the important latitudes are given there. Equator is an important latitude, that is the longest latitude. Other than the equator, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. Okay, these are the important latitudes. Clear? Then the Arctic and Antarctic circles also called the polar circles. Okay. Then there are, how many latitudes are there? There are 90 parallels in the northern side and 90 parallels in the southern side. Okay, and including the equator there are total 181 parallels or latitudes. How many latitudes are there? 181 latitudes or parallels are there. Okay, that means 90 in the northern hemisphere, 90 in the southern hemisphere, including the equator. 90 plus 90 plus 1 is equal to 181 latitudes. So total how many latitudes are there? 181 latitudes are there. Okay, then all parallels are at an equal distance from each other. They have equal distance. The parallels never touch each other. All parallels are complete circles except the North Pole and South Pole. The length of the parallels decrease as we move away from the equator towards the poles. Look at the picture. The longest latitude is the equator. Then from the equator, as we move towards the poles, the length of the parallels goes on decreasing. Okay. So at the pole, it become a dot. Okay. So these are about the latitudes. So what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary lines that run from east to west on a globe, and there are total 181 latitudes. These latitudes are parallel lines, that is why they are called parallels. Then total 181 latitudes are there. The latitudes never touch each other, and the latitude's length will goes on decreasing as we move away from the equator towards the poles. Okay, understood all of you? Then what are longitudes? What are longitudes? Longitudes are also imaginary lines that are run from north to west. Okay, so west to east latitudes. Look at the picture given in the page number 53. The last picture, longitudes pictures are given there here. So these are the longitudes. These are the vertical lines, not horizontal lines, vertical lines that run from north to south. These are called the longitudes. Okay, so the set of lines running from north to south are called lines of longitude or meridians. They are otherwise known as meridians. What name? Meridians. So the meridians passing through the old Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London was chosen as the starting point of the meridian in 1884. It was marked as 0. So like the equator, these meridians or longitudes also have an important 0 degree meridian. It is called the prime meridian. What meridian? Prime meridian. That pass through the center of the earth. That pass through the Greenwich near London. So it is called Greenwich line or Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. Its degree is 0 degree meridian. Okay, longitudes. Then meridians. All meridians are semicircular and of equal length. Then distance between the meridians decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. but the latitudes have equal distance, but the meridians distance decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. When we move away from the middle portion to the polar region, their distance will become decreasing. Okay, meridians cut the parallels at 90 degree. Meridians help to measure distance in east-west direction. Okay, total there are 360 meridians. How many meridians are there? 360 meridians. Total how many parallels are there or latitudes are there? 181. How many meridians are there? 360 meridians are there. Okay, understood all of you? So all these portions, that is the parallels or the latitudes and the longitudes or the meridians, that you have to read. Okay, and then the next class you can ask doubts in the Zoom class. Okay, any doubt? So read till here. Okay, bye.